Kia ora again, greetings, welcome to the Cook Island Bass Guitar Tutorial 4. We'll be getting into changing chords from F, G to C with the technique from tutorial 1, 2 and 3. We'll do that straight after this. Okay, before we get into it, I just want to explain that we'll be only doing the basics, so no licks or sevens going into the chords. I think it's important to learn the basics where it would help you to advance to that kind of stage. Now that you know your hand coordination around the high C area, remember when you start, we start with the index finger on the second to last string, and then we take it to the top. Now when you do that, when you take it to the top, it becomes a G. So basically you just leave the index finger on the top, like how you leave the little finger at the bottom, and then all you're doing is moving the two fingers on and off. Now to play an F, you just leave everything the same as it is and then shift it 2 bars down that way. 1, 2, and now it's an F. Leave everything the same as it is like the G. Now we'll play it with the single pick. That's an F, now G, and now C. Back to F, G, C. And now we'll just put it all together. Just do it slowly. G, C, F, G, C. Now that's the basics of how to change chords with this technique. We've come to the end of the tutorial. I have one more for you, tutorial 5, which would be our last tutorial. Hopefully I could share a more advanced experience in this next tutorial. Other than that, comment, like, subscribe and notification. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our last tutorial. Kia ora e kia manuia.